Welcome back to Future Cars Updates, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles coming your way. Today we're diving into something a little more versatile, rugged and highly functional, the 2025 Chevrolet Express Max L2H2 HQ. If you're someone who values power, space and reliability in a work van or a conversion base, this one's going to grab your attention. The Chevrolet Express has been around for decades, trusted by tradespeople, delivery services, and van lifers alike. And for 2025, Chevy has stepped up its game with the Express Max L2H2 HQ, blending classic durability with fresh new features for the modern age. The L2H2 designation means you're getting a long wheelbase and high roof. That's extra cargo space and standing room, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities. From the outside, the design of the 2025 Express Max stays true to its utilitarian roots, boxy, bold, and all about function over form. But look a little closer, and you'll see sleeker lines, upgraded lighting, and a more refined front fascia that gives it a sharper, more contemporary look. Chevy's new grille design and LED headlights add a premium touch without losing that rugged charm. Under the hood, the 2025 Express Max L2H2 HQ is expected to come with a choice of powerful engines. The base option will likely be a robust 4.3-liter V6, delivering solid performance and excellent reliability. For those needing more muscle, there could be a 6.6-liter V8 variant, perfect for towing and hauling serious loads. Some rumors even hint at a potential hybrid or diesel option, which would be a game changer for fuel efficiency and long-distance driving. But the real magic of the Express Max lies inside. With the high roof configuration, you can actually stand up and move around inside the van, making it ideal for mobile workshops, delivery setups, or even camper van conversions. The cargo space is massive, and Chevy has focused on improving usability. Expect more tie-down points, better interior lighting, and optional shelving systems that make customization a breeze. Chevrolet hasn't skimped on comfort and tech either. The cabin has been refined to feel more like a modern SUV than an old-school van. Expect to see a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, USB-C ports, and a rear-view camera as standard. Higher trims might even include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and parking assist systems, features that were almost unheard of in cargo vans just a few years ago. The HQ version, which stands for high quality, brings an extra layer of refinement. Think premium materials, noise insulation, advanced climate control, and even better seating comfort. If you're going to be spending long hours behind the wheel or using the van as a mobile office or camper, this upgrade makes a big difference. And let's not forget safety. Chevrolet is expected to include all the modern must-haves: multiple airbags, stability control, ABS, and possibly even forward collision warning systems. It's clear that Chevy wants the Express Max to be not just capable, but also safe and comfortable for daily use. Whether you're a contractor, fleet manager, van life enthusiast, or just someone who needs a seriously capable vehicle, the 2025 Chevrolet Express Max L2H2 HQ is shaping up to be one of the most exciting commercial vans of the year. It's built tough, packed with space, and now offers more modern tech and comfort than ever before. That's it for today's update. Let us know in the comments. Would you consider the 2025 Express Max for work, travel, or maybe a full camper conversion? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more exciting updates from Future Cars Updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.